Welcome to the DesktopReady Customer Administrator Portal. DesktopReady's Desktop as a Service is a cloud-based virtual desktop that enables businesses to meet comprehensive modern work requirements. In this video, we will walk you through the navigation of the functions and features that will allow you to monitor and manage your virtual environment. Our simple-to-use administrator portal allows you to operate your virtual desktops with streamlined control, allowing you to respond faster to the dynamic needs of your business and the virtual desktop supporting it. Now, let's take a tour. To start, once you've authenticated access and successfully logged into the Customer Admin Portal, you will be presented with the Home dashboard. Here you can get a simple overview of the virtual desktops in your business environment. To the left, you will see displayed the quantity of desktops, allowing you to monitor the number of allocated desktops in use and the total number available under your current plan. Here you can also review the provision details and quantities, which are organized by personal and pooled desktops. We will talk more about personal and pooled desktops later in the video. To the right, you will see the user overview indicating the user allocations and total user seats available. Next, we have the Users page. Here you can easily create, delete, and manage users to quickly and securely scale up and down with your workforce and their needs. To create a new user, select Create User on the Add New User page. Enter the name, email, and phone number of the new user. To complete this process, press Create User. Once completed, the user will receive their new credentials via email. When adding more than one user, select Create Multiple Users to create consecutive user profiles that can be saved to custom group lists. For Microsoft Office 365 users, DesktopReady provides seamless integration that will synchronize your Office 365 users with your user directory here in the Customer Admin Portal. Now, let's look at the Desktops page. Here's where you can manage your current desktop allotments and request new desktops. In the Desktops list, you will see the provision details and assignments. To manage desktop assignments, select Manage in the right column for each user and click Go to Desktops. Here you can monitor and manage the assigned users. In the right column, you can control the local admin assignments for each user, enabling or disabling them at any time from this column. Going back to the Desktops page, DesktopReady offers both pooled and personal desktops. Pooled desktops can be allocated for multiple users, given that they are light-duty users working primarily with cloud-based applications and non-intensive workloads. If a user is working with installed applications that are more intensive to the workload of the virtual machine, then a personal desktop would be the ideal selection to support the user sufficiently. Here you can assign, power schedule, auto-scale, and re-image desktops, providing a high level of environmental control for your desktops. Select Access Desktops to enter those desktop environments assigned to your user account. This step will require you to authenticate access to proceed. Select Manage Desktops to request additional desktops. Here you can preference your additional desktops by sharing model, operating system, preset configuration, and quantity needed. DesktopReady now features server management located under the Servers menu, bringing your server and desktop management all under one easy-to-use interface. Select Request New Server to begin. For step 1, enter the name of your server. Next, enter the description. Step 2, select whether your server operating system will be Windows or Linux-based. Then select the OS version. You can preference the VM image size, capacity, disk type, and disk size. In step 3, search current users to grant them admin access to the new server. For new users, refer to the Create New User portion of this video to first establish a user before assigning them to your new server. Then complete the setup process by selecting Request New Server. Once your new server is set up, you will see it listed on the Manage Servers page with server details displayed in the list columns. In the Manage column, you can assign users and change admins. Under the Power column, select whether to activate, deactivate, or restart the server. You can monitor the current state of the server under the Status column. If you're not sure exactly what details to select when setting up the server, don't worry. Our support team is ready to help. On the left side of the admin page, support is a click away. We'll get to that part shortly. In the Shared Folders menu, you can create and manage folders shared with users. This solution provides a cloud storage environment that can synchronize data across your users. This allows your users to have access to important documents and information that is crucial to today's workforce demands and business continuity. They can access these items from anywhere using any device to log onto their virtual desktop. To begin, select Request New Folder. For Step 1, enter the name and description for the folder. Step 2, select from the storage requirements the performance tier that best suits your folder requirements. Enter the storage size of your new folder here. Next, enter a network drive letter. This will allow your folder to have a unique letter designation, similar to how other hard drive disks and cloud drives are assigned letter designations. To avoid potential drive access errors, enter a letter designation not already in use by another drive on your network. Step 3 is where you will specify the data redundancy type for your folder. We provide localized redundancy that duplicates data to regional data centers, as well as tier redundancy that duplicates this data across multiple data centers worldwide. To select a redundancy type, be sure to first specify your drive letter designation in Step 2 to reveal this drive option in the data redundancy drive selection. Next, we have the Manage VM page. This is where you can manage the virtual machines for your users. Here you can connect with your virtual desktops as an administrator, specify power options, and restart VMs. This page is where you can review VM details by desktop and monitor status. You can also monitor user activity across your desktops in real time. Here in the Active Sessions column, you will see the quantity of users active on that desktop. Simply click the number displayed in the Active Sessions column to reveal the details for those active users. Here you also have the option to log off those active users from VM sessions. This is an invaluable security feature for those circumstances that need immediate user restriction to information based on any number of reasons. Mentioned earlier, DesktopReady also provides support to users available here on the support page. Service desk and monitoring support for your business is provided 24/7 to make sure that you can stay on top of all business-related changes and needs. To access our support, select Raise Ticket located here in the upper right side tab. This will take you to the support ticket page where you can enter the details regarding the technical issues you're experiencing. In addition, you can also provide an image or file attachment in support of your explanation of the problem. Once submitted, our team will respond to your ticket and provide the necessary solution within our SLA. You can track the status of your ticket from the main support page to see where your support ticket is in our system. Finally, we have the Documentations page. Here's where you can find resources and guides for all the various functions and features covered in this video. DesktopReady keeps your cloud desktop infrastructure updated and always available for your end users with proactive monitoring and white glove support. Thank you for watching the Customer Administrator Overview. We hope you found this video helpful in better understanding the functions and features available to you. If you require any further support or have any questions, please visit us at our website or email us at sales@desktopready.com.